Good afternoon, and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today, I would like to talk to you about chimichurri and an easy way to make it in the food processor. And yes, the song from Mary Poppins is running in my head right now. Chim chimmery, chim chimmery, chim chimchery. Anyway, this is what we're talking about. Okay, so if you haven't heard about that, it is a Argentinian sauce that is used a lot on meats. It's used on vegetables. It can be a marinade. It can be just a sauce. It's very, very versatile. And the way that it's usually made is usually made by chopping things very, very finely and using a mortar or a mortar and pestle. And that can get tedious really, really fast. So I was kind of like, okay, I really want to make this. How am I going to do this? Okay, let's try the food processor. Guess what? It works beautifully. So what you want to do is you want to prep your ingredients. Star of the show is dried oregano. This is a very herbal flavor. It's dried oregano and parsley, which together make a beautiful, beautiful marriage. And a lot of garlic. And then we have red pepper flakes for heat, paprika for charm, cumin, which is one of those wonderful spices, olive oil, red wine vinegar, which provides acid, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. And all that goes into the food processor. It's very, very easy. You put it in the food processor, and you don't want to make it into a paste. So what you want to do is you want to use the chop. So chop, 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 chop. Maybe about 15, 20 seconds, something like that, on a pulse chop. And there you have it. It's all done. And you take it out and you taste it. You can adjust it for seasoning if you think it needs. Maybe you want to put some lemon in it. Maybe you want to put more heat in it. Maybe you want to put more red pepper flakes. But that's up to you. That's your taste. And then you can take that wonderful stuff and you can put it in a jar and put it in your refrigerator to use for other foods, or you can do like I do and you can marinate meat with it. And what I do is I take the meat and I put it in a vacuum sealable bag. I used flap meat and I put a whole bunch of that wonderful chimichurri on it. Sealed the bag, put it in the freezer. Then I had some chicken thighs. I did the same thing with them and put them in a bag, put the chicken, put the chimichurri, sealed it, and put it in the freezer. Now, what's going to happen is some night when I really don't feel like cooking, I have an absolutely excellent dinner that everybody's going to love. So, my recommendation to you today is to get some of those herbs, get it together, put it in your food processor, be happy. And we'll see you next time on The Good Plate. Thanks for listening. As always, forever forward, forever flavorful. Yum, yum!